It's your daily dozen. 12 easy exercises to stretch from head to toe. Release, lift your arms all the way up. Inhale and exhale out any stress you may have. Again, deep cleansing breath, bringing in the oxygen equals energy and letting out any tension in your body. And hold. And let's slowly stretch your arms all the way up and open up the chest. That's it. And lift all the way up. Open up the chest to the other side. A great stretch from head to toe. Lift your arms up and release. And now let's stretch out the lower body. Your hips, thighs, and buttocks. Sit back. That's it. And release. Try it with the other side. Up and way back there. Sit. That's it. Lift it back. And relax. And bring your arms and chest down. And slowly circle through the ankles, the knees. A great way to cool down, rejuvenate your body. That's it. Let's begin with our first body spot. It'll be the quads. So standing up nice and tall, bring your heel toward your buttocks, hold on to the legs, and feel the stretch in the front of your thighs, the quadriceps. That's it. Hold them balanced. And try to push your hips slightly forward so you feel an extra stretch in the quads. That's it. If you're there next to a wall, you can balance with the wall or a chair, whatever's going to make it easier for you. Let's go to the other side. Bring that heel towards the buttocks. That's it. Lift up. It's a great stretch for those thighs. The front of your thighs, the quads. That's it. It releases tension. It's great for the legs. Reduces any soreness in your body. It's so good for you. Remember, stretching is great for circulation, and circulation is what heals your body. Lift all the way up and take it to the side. Now we're working those inner thighs. Stretch inside of your inner thighs. Hold that stretch. Sit yourself way back there. Can you feel it? To get an extra stretch, just flex the toe up. Oh, that feels so good. Toe comes up. And now slowly, the next step is to twist your body all the way around. That's it, twist. It's great for those inner thighs. Great for leg circulation. And shift your weight to the other side and hold, 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 hold. Point your toe at first, elongating the leg, feeling the stretch through the inner thighs. Now flex your toe up. That's it. Feel a different stretch. Oh, I love it. That's it. And twist to the side, rotation. Great for the waist. Twist, twist. Sit into the stretch, feel it, breathe, and release. Come all the way up and twist to the other side. Now we'll begin our hip flexor stretch. Hold the position in a beautiful warrior position. Hold it, hold it. That's it. Feel the length through the hip flexor. Now drop your back knee. Place your foot on the floor and lift up. Extend the body all the way up. Feel the length through the spine. Feel it through the hip flexor. If you'd like, you could shift your hips a little forward. That's it. And come up. Let's go to the other side. And hold the stretch. Open up through the hips. It's a great hip opener. That's it. Hold it there. The front knee stays in a 90-degree angle. And slowly drop the back knee down. Point your toe. Lift up your chest. Feel the length through the hip flexors. It's so great to do every day, especially if you sit for long periods of time to stretch. Opens up through the pelvic area. That's it. Push that hip forward and release. And now slowly come up. Halfway, we're now into our calves. Stretch that back foot back. Make sure that the lower leg is slowly facing forward. Your heel is down and flat. Feel it? Lean forward. Oh, that gastrocnemius. Hold that stretch. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Lean forward a little more. Okay, now for the soleus. Bring the foot in. Feel it back here now. It's all the lower leg. So great. Preventing shin splints. Keeping those legs healthy. Let's go to the other side. And calf muscle stretch. Hold that stretch. Lean slightly forward so you really get it all the way through. Press that heel down. Make sure the legs are straight ahead like you're on a balance beam. That's it. Hold that calf stretch. Okay, now for the soleus. Sitting back, you should feel it in the lower leg. That's it. Lower leg, hold it, stomach in. Back is strong, it's straight. Okay, and slowly come all the way down. Let's come to our knees. We're gonna stretch our back now. Hold your body upright. We're stretching now the lats, the sides of your arms here, right in the back. That's it. Push down, push. This is the upper back. And now slowly release and hold down here to child's pose. This is now stretching the low back, all in the low part of the back. Oh, so good to release tension. And now slowly reach through, hold that stretch. And to the other side. This is now stretching your middle back. Oh, it feels so good. And slowly sit nice and tall. Inhale and exhale. Great. Now I'd like you to stretch through the wrists, the forearms. No more carpal tunnel syndrome. Come on, stretch it out. Helps prevent any of those wrist problems, as well as tennis elbow. That's it. Stretch your other arms forward like this. And release. And now let's stretch the other part of the arm, the triceps. That's it. Stretch those arms. You got it. Sitting up nice and tall. Great. And the other triceps. Hold it there. Hold it there. That's it. Great. And now just rotate your wrists all the way around for good circulation. Perfect. Now let's work on the chest, opening up through the chest. Sitting up nice and tall. Bring your arm up and open to the chest. Open up the chest, elongating all through the collarbone. Open it up and release. One more time. Bring it forward and lift it. Open it up. Oh, it feels so good for the chest. And release. And switch sides, switch legs. And bring your arm here. Now open it up. Open up the chest. That's it. Make it nice and reaching and opened. And release one more time. Really open up the chest. It's so good for you, especially if you sit long periods of time and slouch. This opens up the shoulders, opens up the chest, and release. One more great one for the chest. Come on down. Walk yourself all the way down. Lift your hips up. Now, place your hands underneath your hips and walk your shoulder blades together and lift through the chest and hold that position and breathe. Inhale and exhale. That's it. Great. Now slowly, one vertebrae at a time, come all the way down. Now let's stretch out those hamstrings. Bring the leg up, relax your foot, circle, and now stretch your leg towards you. And now slowly, as you do this, stretch out the opposite leg. So both legs are extended. Oh, it feels so good. Your hamstrings are so important to stretch every day because tight hamstrings could tug on your low back and give you back problems. Great. And switch legs. They're all related. Lift the other leg, hold, rotate the ankle for good leg circulation. That's it. And hold the leg towards you, feeling a wonderful stretch all in the back of the leg. That's it. Now extend the other leg, hold it there, feel the length through the legs. Relax your back, relax your neck. Try to get your neck flat. That's it. And slowly relax. Round your back and come all the way up. Now we're going to open up through the hips as well as the buttocks. Place your foot in front of you in this position. Now what you want to do is ease into it, and you should feel it all through here. Do you feel it? Oh, I love it. Hips, thighs, and buttocks. Chest up. Hold that stretch. It's one of my favorite stretches. Ease into it a little deeper if you can. Can you feel it? That's it. Okay, switch legs. Let's go with the other one. Bring the leg. Sitting up nice and tall first. Come on. Try to sit up there. Oh, it feels so good. Ease into the stretch. Can you feel it? I love this stretch. It's my favorite one. Good. Sitting up nice and tall. Push into it. Ease in a little more. Oh, feels great. Stretching to relax you, rejuvenate you, and relax. And now slowly sit nice and tall. Let's relax the neck. That's it. Just drop one ear to the shoulder. Elongate this arm. Can you feel it lengthening all through the side of the neck? No more neck tension. That's right. And to the other side. Hold that stretch. Great. Oh, feels so good. And now open up through the chest. Open up through the neck here. And now place your hands behind you and slowly relax the back of your neck. Bring your chin to your chest. Hold that stretch. Oh, doesn't that feel great? Lengthen the spine. Lengthen through and come up. Great. And now the shoulders. Sitting up nice and tall. Stretch through the shoulders. No more tension in those shoulders. Hold that stretch. That's it. And to the other side, lift up and over. Hold the stretch. No more shoulder tension. That's it. And now slowly place your hands behind you. Lift your hands up and over. Lift up, up, up. Hold it up there. Lengthen and come up. Let me see that happy face. Bring your arm around and hold. Now you're stretching all through the front of your shoulders. That's it. Great. Keeping the upper body healthy, improving that posture. Switch arms, the other arm comes through and back. Sit up tall. Hold your body weight straight up. You should feel all the muscles stretching, releasing, keeping those shoulders healthy, keeping you healthy for life because you are worth it. Inhale and exhale.